as I get so immune to crime, so I feel like all of these people that were dying a year time was a regular thing. But guess what, Squitty? I said this and I close. When Peter Bunting went to National Stadium and he said, I think best effort as person and as a government, Jamaica need divine intervention. Trust me, if you read your Bible and you know everything that the good Lord have done in this earth, either he has sent a man, he has sent a man to warn, he has sent a man to do the miracle, he has sent a man to do the job. Because the law and the rule of God is nothing can done on this earth without using a man. And when Peter Bunting went on stage and he asked for divine intervention, the good Lord hears, But guess what? God only give it the things when he knows it's the right time and you can manage at the right time and the right place. And guess what? He raised up Andrew Holness to be the man who's rescued Jamaica from this criminal activity in Jamaica. And guess what? The PNP cannot come and brag and boast and talk about crime now. Nothing else in this This is the first government that can go in front of the Jamaican people and come to them with their hands stretched out and say, this is what I have done over my thing. And I am asking you for 4 more years to show you the real progress. No other government cannot do it. No other prime minister cannot do it. Whether Siago, PJ, none of them else cannot do it. That's the reason why they try to go to length and breadth to tear down the prime minister. But guess what? We, the people of Jamaica, the supporter of Jamaica Labour Party, and the patriot, and the real backbone people of Jamaica Labour Party, we will stand behind this prime minister. Because guess what? He have done enough to get 4th term, and if you have done enough to get a 4th term, we will forget a 3rd term, we will give him a 4th term, I should say, because this prime minister have done enough. And I want to say this to the People's National Party people and close. Stop to mention the prime minister name, because the more you mention him and the more he might get popular. What you must try to do is to sell Mark Golding to the people of Jamaica, because the people of Jamaica not seeing Mark Golding as viable. Them no want to see him not marketable, him not look like him can purchase on the shelf. Him not have him just don't look right for Jamaica. Stop call Andrew Holness name and start to mention Mark Golding name and see if you can get a difference. Because every time the poll show, every time the Prime Minister touch nowhere, it show that the people of Jamaica is only one thing they must say, and is Andrew Michael Holness and Island Rescue.
In all of these conversations, I come to one conclusion. So Jamaica just started 9 years ago. You believe that? Jamaica just started 9 years ago.
Start over again, my brother. Because we did it before and then have it and we get it back again.
Why I say that? Everybody want water in a pipe. They want, before me say that, PNP know what they want. They not asking nothing, they not look for nothing, and they not do nothing. Right? They might get water in a pipe, they say they not get nothing. They might get houses, they say they not get nothing. They might get road, they say they not getting. They might get money, free money, they might get to send them people to school. Hard program, they say they not get nothing. If you hold anti-efficiency and come out and can't do nothing, you get money from the government, they say the government not do nothing. The government they build highway, he not do nothing. He might build hospital, he not do nothing. He might refurbish school, he not do nothing. He might build police station, he not do nothing. What do they want? What they want from the government? They might get police station. We get one of the most first class police station, fire station in Montego Bay. Right? We they get an extended highway. Right? What do they want? What they say that the government not do anything? How did the government not do anything? What they want? What they want to do? They want to see crime spiral to a proportion to say something they go on. They want to see starvation and hunger to say something they go on. These people are so wicked and terrible minded, disgusting, and should have go down that bottomless pit. Right? No other government has done what Andrew Holness have been doing. You talk about portion and them saying they love poor people. Well, if anybody love poor people, Andrew Holness, right? And he love poor people to elevate them out of poverty. PNP love poor people to push them down in poverty, right? I remember a few years ago, right? They have parish council at St. James Parish Council. And when you come on a month in, you can't find place to walk across Parish Council and down the joining street. Take a PNP, they sit down on every step, they sit down on every rail, they sit down on every corner. Because what? Then they collect free money, right? And my government take those free money and utilize them and make people can get basic commodities, right? And then can't see it because they not get the free money in their hand, right? And if they come of age, like my age and over, they can get at least $20 a month, free of cost from the government. They never have to pay NIS, no income tax, no housing trust, no nothing. Eh?
20,000.
Yes, that will be sure of, right? Me not sure of someone they run some other places, but me sure at 20,000. Every senior person in this country can collect $20,000 per month, right? And those people so ungrateful, man. People get wicked, so man, right? And they will behave as if the country just starts.
You gotta
I go and say something to my Prime Minister, Right Honorable Andrew Holness. Anytime he win this election, and next 2 to 3 years, just bring two of the plane come back to Jamaica with the bird panny. Whether it profitable or but some money must make a fight. And Andrew Holness know how to make money. I want him bring back a couple of the plane them back on Jamaica, in a Jamaica sky, and give the PNP them a heart attack. Because after them sell out everything, and not left Jamaica with nothing. Right?
I would advise that you give.
Yes. If he bring back to them plane there, with some of them money when they use bring back them buses to the school to them and the garbage truck.
Sorry, brother. Say it this way. Our biggest pride and joy that Jamaica ever have.
Aye. The biggest pride and joy we ever have.
Yeah.
Right? No other airline in the world treated people like how Air Jamaica treat people. Right? And when you hear on the show, PJ Patterson take your gateway to Bush Stewart and say sell it. Bush Stewart bought out how it was sold. And when he can't manage it, he can go throw down in a jungle heap. Right? And PJ still sell the rest.
No.
And I would say to my Prime Minister, I would say to my Prime Minister, just bring back 20 plane them in the year and tell me, say, sir, for the rest of your life, which you have more lifespan than me. You don't must live longer than me, but you have the lifespan that longer than me. And for your sons and your sons' sons, PNP will never see back this country again.
I remember when Andrew was tell Peter Bunting, so let's come together and solve the crime. And Andrew wanted to go to Israel and get some equipment to deal with the crime too. And Peter Bunting come out and tell the people and say, do not let Andrew Holness watch in our backyard. Peter Bunting said that, no, do not let Andrew Holness watch in our backyard. He said if he just did come together with that man, crime would have got a long time. When we know the PNP them, they do not like to see good in Jamaica. They do not like to see nothing good. Not even the PNP them, the risers them. They do not like to see nothing good done to Jamaica. From Peter Bunting to Mark Golding to Dayton Campbell and others. Look how long my man they run out of seed garden and he get how much $1 million. Why he can't fix up out there? PNP don't like to see nothing good done to the country. They come like some class of a criminal park. Just look one way. They love cheapness. They're lazy. They love handouts. And they love government rule over them. The more you work and achieve what you want to achieve, and less government look after you. You cannot make government have hands on you all the days of your life. You have to move from one point to the other.